When the dawn begins to rise, slowly I look to the sky. Teary trails from loneliness fall down my cheeks from my eyes. I may be lonely, but with hope I'm not alone. Quietly I look into the morning sky, realizing we're alive. Even when I lose my way, somehow I always search for you. Every moment of my day seems brighter when I'm next to you. I remember how you held me tight, and by the way your heart beat fast, certainly this must be just a dream. I can't deny the way I feel for you no more. You give me hope that if you're with me, sad days will feel far away. I never knew until I met you. You're in my dreams that have come true. Who knew?